Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and today I'm going to be using the Bling Boss Morphe X JACLYN Hill Volt collection, the last one. And these are the colors, and I did swatch them for you at the end. I love this palette. This palette is amazing, amazing, and I mean amazing. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and stay tuned. And don't forget to smash that like button, that really helps out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. Let's get started. Alright, to start off the look, I am going to use the Wet n Wild Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige to prime my lids. Like I said in the other previous videos, I'm going to do one eye off camera and the other one off camera with everything on. And to blend it out, I'm going to use my Morphe sponge. Alrighty, now that I have it all primed and ready to go, and today I'm going to be using the JACLYN Hill Bling Boss palette, and these are the shades. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to create something with this. Alright, the first color I'm going to use is called Hush Hush, which is that one right there. Oh, that's a lot of kickback. I'm going to go in with the E27 and put it all over the lid. Next color I'm going to grab is Rockstar, and I'm going to use my Morphe M573 for that. And I'm going to use that as the transition color. Oh, it's a pretty color. With the same M573, I'm going to go in with the color Mystic, which is this one right here. I'm going to go under the color Rockstar with the color Mystic. And to blend a little bit better, I'm going to grab my R37 and buff that color out a little bit more. Back to the M573. So I'm going to grab a little bit of Rockstar with the M441 and I'm going to buff it out a little bit more on the top. They fuse together. Alrighty, and now I'm going to grab my Morphe M421 with my MAC Soft Ochre to cut the crease. Pack both sides. Here we go. I should do a half cut crease. I'm going to go in with the color Mystic with the M573, and I'm going to put it out here in the outer corner area. Blend it. Kind of like a half cut crease. So I'm going to grab my e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Bling Bling, which is this one. And I didn't put no Fix Plus or anything on it to see if it works without it. Okay, I see you, Pigment. Together. Alright, I'm going to grab the Morphe M573 to blend that out. It looks good so far. A little bit of Mystic. I like how I blend it out. It did a soft transition. Alright, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the pizzazz, this one, and put it right there between those two colors, see if it looks better, like if they merge together better. Oh yeah, that's better. So I'm gonna grab the E27 and see if I could blend that out a little bit more. Okay, that works. Yes, it blend out perfectly. Alright, I'm gonna grab the M573 one more time. I'm gonna do Mystic on the outer, with a little bit more depth. I'm gonna use this little thing that has glitter. It's called Italia. I think that's what it says. It has a picture of a horse. I think that's what it says. I'm gonna grab the color and I'll put it right there between the cut crease. Alright, so this one doesn't have a highlighting color, so I'm gonna go grab the Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm gonna use the color VIP, which is that highlighting color, to color the inner duct. Okay. And with that same brush, I'm gonna do the brow bone. Alright, I'm gonna grab a little bit of Rockstar with my M201 and put it under the eye, because we don't want to have uneven eyes. Know what I mean? Don't worry, it's gonna get fixed and it'll look way better once I clean it up. I'm gonna grab the Morphe M573 to buff that out. Alright, now that the look is complete, well, not complete, I'm gonna go do the rest, lashes, eyebrows, highlight, the whole shebang, you know. Then I'll be right back with the final look and with my thoughts at the end and swatches of colors I did not use, okay? Alright, see you in a little bit. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, this completes the look. I have on Lily Lashes in the style Miami. I have the new Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star in the shade Frostbite. I have the Hoola Bronzer. I have some Laura Mercier Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. The lips are from Lime Crime in the color Teddy Bear. And like I promised, I'm gonna swatch the colors I didn't use. I didn't use Gem, Berry Treasure, Ballsy, Glitz and Glam, and Sparks. Those are the ones I didn't use. But I am going to swatch them for you on the back of my arm, I should say. I keep saying hand, but it's arm. Okay, let me clean my fingers off real quick. See, nothing. So Gem. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's perfect. Next one. Berry Treasure. Like a black with gold in it. Perfect too. Good. Next one, Ballsy. That one's pretty too. Yep, that one came out pretty too. Perfect. Glitz and Glam. I really wanted to use this color, but I didn't. But I'm gonna swatch it for you guys to see how it looks on my pinky. Nothing. that one's pretty too. Perfect. No blotchiness, no nothing. Alright, and the last one is Sparks, which is this last one right here. My thumb. Right there. Perfect. It looks like this palette, the Bling Boss, all the colors come out beautiful. That's why I was saving this one for last, because this one was my favorite one. This one and Dark Magic. And this is the look that I created with it. Also, I ordered the new JACLYN Hill Morphe brushes. I already have her, I have the first one, her favorites. I can't wait till I get the new ones that she created. Well, didn't create because most of them I already have, but I really wanted the JACLYN Hill palette, the JACLYN Hill brushes. The Glam Master, I think that's what it's called. I post videos for you guys every Wednesday at 6:30 Phoenix time. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters. Till next time, bye.